Hello, students. Students who are planning to study abroad and confused about what's best for them and need some help and guidance. Please do not worry. Contact us and we'll help you and guide you. There are a lot of things which always students like to get the information about before they would like to apply for a particular country or city or university. And obviously they always have this thing. With my experience, many students are it helps them if they get some guidance and know what exactly is best for them for the future, for their what's best for the families, and even the students who are married and who like to migrate for a better future to a better country. Yes, you can, but obviously the only thing which you need to know is the what's the criteria, what's the entry requirement, are you eligible, or if you're not eligible, what's the best country which is suitable for to according to your financial situation, according to your academic results. And when it comes to spouse visa or the one who's married, sometimes a wife profile will be much better to apply for than husband, and then he can come as a dependent and work. I have a really good example. One of our student who came on a wife's visa as a dependent, and in a week, because he was well qualified, and he got a good job in the UK. So the students who want to come to UK, we are here to help you and guide you. And even students who would like to study in European countries or Australia, USA, Canada, and Singapore, Mauritius, and Turkey. So obviously, according to your achievements and your financial situation, we are here to help you and guide you. So please connect with us. Take care.